Welcome to another episode of Double B's Garage. Today this is going to be a short one because it's going to be an introduction video to what you are about to see in a week or two when I get the editing done and also do the work, which I've yet to start. But I wanted to show you the new project that we will be working on. It is a 2014 Audi Allroad Premium Plus. It's got Sportline seats with, they're sport bolstered seats. It has titanium interior. It's got S5 wheels already on it. The problem is it's too high. It's got to be lower. This is crazy. It's an all-road, but I'm only going on-road. I have something that can go off-road if I need to, and this thing needs to be down to the ground a little lower. How am I going to accomplish that? By using these. These are H&R coilovers for the front and rear. If you're not familiar, the rear shocks are separate from the actual springs. They sit like in their own perch. And then in the front, you have a strut assembly. And then also, I'm going to be putting on that massive front sway bar right there. That's also by H&R. This is the part number in the box right here for the H&R coilovers. This system should be great. It doesn't have dampening ability. This is not the highest end system you can get. It's probably one of the lower end systems you can get. But all of this is around $1,500. The nice thing is it's going to lower the car. It's still going to be a decent ride for the most part. I mean, factory wheels on this car are 18s. Now there's 20s on there, which fill out the wheel well a little better. But once it gets lower, it will have a much, much more aggressive look to it. And ultimately, I think it's going to look really, really nice. Today, I just basically wanted to show you the car, introduce it, maybe open the door, show you the interior a little bit. And then this weekend, we are hopeful to get everything started on the rest of the journey here. I don't want to scratch the door, but you can see it's real light interior. The sport seats are really nice. Not a lot of them have these with the bolsters. It's more of a flat seat, and then these obviously move, which is kind of a nice option too, just to keep your legs supported underneath your knees. 80,000 miles. I'm going to be the third owner technically, but been really, really well cared for. So excited to get this thing lowered closer to the ground and see how it handles. So more to come on that. Guys, as you know, thanks for watching. We're always trying to put up more content, but I am busy a lot of the time too. So I do this when I have spare time and weekends and nights and that sort of thing. So hopefully this will be another kind of cool video for you guys to see. It's going to be a project for me. I've never done suspension on an A4, so that'll be interesting. I mean, it's strut basic system, so it shouldn't be too difficult. I am going to have my buddy over here, Avery from Over Engineered Garage, and he's going to be helping me. He was actually an Audi master technician at a dealership before he started his own workshop. So he will be over here helping me when we do that video, but I probably will do most of the dismantling, getting the old struts off, the old shocks, the old springs in the rear, get the wheels off, and then get everything prepped so that we can come back and build these beautiful babies. I'll do some measurements of the height between the center cap of the wheel and the wheel well, and then we will go from there. So stay tuned, more to come, but wanted to give you a quick snapshot of what's coming your way. All right, thanks for watching.